Things can change so fast, and you have to be able to roll with the punches. If you've been a follower of Keystone HDC or the Hospitality Property School podcasts, you might have noticed that we didn't have a post or a podcast last week. I am responsible for those aspects of the company, and I had a medical situation arise that put me in the hospital. I've since been released, but ordered to make my health a priority. I've been ordered to take it easy for at least the next month and limit my work activities. This is a little ironic since in our last episode, I talked about my journey to get to this point in my life. Now, I'm not worried about leaving you high and dry. We have a mass amount of information available on the website and in past episodes of the Hospitality Property School podcasts. And if you're searching for answers to a hospitality property question, you'll probably be able to find it. With this in mind, for the next month, we will be posting encores of some of our most popular episodes. We've also decided to take a look at this unforeseen break as a chance to step back and revisit the best opportunities we can offer you and how to deliver them. I'll tell you more about that down the road. I am very fortunate to be in a country that makes their medical system a high priority and have an amazing support team around me. So I know the next part of my journey is going to be positive. Now, I also know that my situation is far from unique, and I would be interested to hear how you have been able to deal with an unforeseen medical issue in your own business. Drop me a note and let me know. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this fitting encore episode of How to Design a Wonderful Employee Experience. Talk to you soon. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson, and today I am going to look at how to offer your employees a wonderful experience. Kimpton Hotels and Restaurants, Hilton, Hyatt, and Marriott International all have been listed in the top 50 best hospitality companies to work for. Many of their employees have said they are dream places to work. So why do so many people want to work there? Is it because of the high wages, opportunity for career advancement, or a great business philosophy? The reason expressed by most employees is the experience. It is a pleasure to work there because it's like a second home, and they feel they have an opportunity to grow. They don't feel like employees, but instead part of a movement. In a recent study, 83% of human resource leaders said that they believed the work experience was a decisive segment of their business's success. All over the world, successful companies already know that making the employee's voyage enjoyable pays its way. Opportunities for skilled development, meaningful work, benefits, and a healthy business culture empowers employees and have a positive impact on the business's results. 3 ways you can design a wonderful employee experience include 1. The workplace environment. Everyone is different, so that means, when possible, ask your employees where and how they prefer to work. What helps them concentrate on a task? What distracts them? If you don't have an opportunity to organize different spaces for employees, give them the option to share what works best for them. The employee's well-being is the key to business productivity. A venomous workplace will neither increase retention or engagement. 2. Your business culture. If your employees are drained and lack energy, always walk around feeling like there's something wrong, habitually show up late and watch the clock waiting for the workday to end, they might be on the verge of burnout. If that is the case, what can you expect? Everyone needs a sense of purpose. They need to know that their work is valued and that they can work with supervisors who are on the same page as them. And 3, technology and proper tools. Modern technology is an effective way to assist workflow. Having the most up-to-date and appropriate equipment and tools can boost an employee's productivity. Moreover, the right training for the use of these tools is key. What do you need to do? First, you need to be a worthy tutor. Often, precise, constructive feedback balancing the positive and the negative. Have regular one-on-one get-togethers, sharing solutions to problems personalized to the employee's strength. 2. Embolden your employees and don't micromanage. Give your employees stretch assignments, which will challenge them by placing them into uncomfortable situations in order to learn and grow. Balance giving freedom to your employees while still being available to guide them. 3. Convey interest in employees' success and well-being. Get to know your employees as people with outside lives. Make new employees feel welcome and have procedures in place for them to meet their new colleagues. 4. Be productive and results learning. Focus on what you want your employees to attain and how they can help accomplish it. Help the employees prioritize work and make decisions to remove roadblocks. 5. Communicate and listen to your employees. Communication is not a one-way situation. It has to be two-way. Both listen and share. Hold full meetings and be specific about the company's goals. Inspire open conversation and listen to the questions and concerns of your employees. 6. Support your employees with career development. 7. Have a clear vision and strategy for the team. Whenever things go crazy, keep your employees focused on goals and strategy. Involve your employees in setting and evolving your business vision, goals, and progress. 8. Have the skills necessary to operate your own property so you can help advise your employees. Be willing to roll up your sleeves and work side by side with your employees when required. Understand the exact challenges of the work. In conclusion, your employees need to know that you are part of the team if you want them to invest in your success. For this to work, you're going to have to consider the workplace environment, your business culture, and providing the technology and tools for them to do their jobs. If you have any stories about how to offer your employees a wonderful experience and would like to share or have questions or feedback, leave them in the comments section of the show notes. You can find them at KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/KHDC098. That is it for today's session of Hospitality Property School. We do appreciate your comments, and if you have topic ideas, reach out. You can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/Keystone HDC, on Twitter at twitter.com/Keystone HDC, or by email at info@KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com. As always, let's work together to put more heads in your beds. Until next time, have a fun day. This session of Hospitality Property School has come to a close. Be sure to subscribe so as not to miss any hospitality property tactics and strategies that will help you find the success you have always dreamed of. And don't forget to rate and review so we can continue to bring you the best content possible. We will see you next time, right here in Hospitality Property School.